Hana moved to the coast to escape the city's gray hum. She inherited her grandfather's shop, the Maru Clock Distillery.
I thought I inherited a normal clock shop. But the clocks here didn't just measure minutes, they distilled time.
On the 8th day, her first customer arrived, but he wasn't human.
Now, my customers aren't exactly human.
The tide is lagging.
I see. I'll get to work. Until the tide stopped.
Hana realized her grandfather repaired the rhythms of the hidden world.
From mistwalkers to refelders, the shop became a sanctuary for the unseen.
She found a note. Time is the only thing we truly own. Listen to it.
Step into the shop and stay for a moment.
As the moon rose, the town slept, but the shop began to hum. Hana finally found her place. She wasn't just working, she was keeping the world's heart beating.
My grandfather's loop always reveals the hidden gears.
Follow for more Ghibli Days adventures.